Hey guys, in this video I will show you 5 most easiest ways to make money online without any skill, without any investment, and it does not matter whether you are a student or a housewife doing job or a business. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 1. Complete online surveys. You can earn extra cash by completing surveys online. During your extra time, you can earn $10 to $30 per survey. Many companies pay people to participate in surveys for general market research. These surveys help companies make business decisions. Here are some popular survey sites where you can earn money in your extra time. Number 1. Swagbucks. Number 2. Survey Janki. And number 3. Branded surveys. Number 4. Inbox dollars. Number 5. Toluna. Step number 2. Do voice over work. Voice over work is an excellent way to make money online. Most of the voice over jobs are project based. The most popular websites include Upwork, Fiverr, freelancers.com, people per hour. And way number 3 is carry out micro jobs. To make extra cash, try micro jobs. A micro job is a short-term temporary job that pays per task. You can earn from few cents to $5 per task. The best micro jobs websites are Fiverr, number 2 Amazon Mechanical Trunk, number 3 Appen, and number 4 proudgigs.com. Number 4. Join an affiliate program. Affiliate marketing is another excellent way of making money online. Earn a commission as an affiliate by promoting products or business. You will get a percentage of profit when someone clicks on your affiliate link and purchase the product. Some most profitable affiliate marketing programs are number 1 Amazon Associate, where you can earn up to 20% commission. Number 2 Clickbank, number 3 CJ Affiliate, number 4 Fiverr Affiliate, number 5 eBay Partner Network, and number 5 in our list of how to make money online is starting a YouTube channel. Running a YouTube channel is a popular way to make money online. YouTube has 2 billion plus monthly active users. You need to complete 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours watch time before applying for monetization. You can earn a lot of money by making videos through Google AdSense. Best YouTube channel ideas include number 1 vlogging, number 2 cooking, number 3 product reviews and unboxing, number 4 tutorials, number 5 children's content including cartoons and stories. If you find this video valuable, then please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.